Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add fixed fee based on specific payment gateway using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page. So when we select any payment gateway in checkout page, then we are going to add extra fixed fee for any payment gateway. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin and then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you see add title and then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find all this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to add fixed fee on specific payment gateway using this code. And then you see title handling fee, so this title show in checkout page and then you see payment gateway COD cash on delivery and we are going to charge $8 fixed fee. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see setting, so open it. So we are going to find out payment gateway ID, so we are going to add specific payment gateway ID in custom code and then you see payment tab, so click on it. So we have multiple payment gateway and then you see cash on delivery, so click on it. Then on URL you will find section is equal to COD, so COD is our payment gateway ID, so you will find each payment gateway ID in URL. Now back to code, so we added COD, so when user select COD on checkout page, then extra $8 add and then scroll down you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page and refresh the page and then you see subtotal $80 and we select check payment gateway, so we added custom code for COD cash on delivery. Now select, so we are going to add $8 extra and then you see handling fee $8, total 88, subtotal 80, COD fee $8, total 88. Back to code, so you can add any payment gateway here and you can add any fixed fee. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.